creators, and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you my favorite YouTube intro makers. You may be looking to have something really cool and awesome at the beginning of your YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you the different software that you can use to make them. But before we go into that, I do ask, if you do like my content, please subscribe. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos like this for you. So enough chit chat. Please look at my top list for YouTube intro makers, and I have a special link for some of these softwares right here in my description. So if you love them, hit that link and get that discount. Here we go.